Yeah, family, welcome back, man. Debbie done a yard Sunday dinner. I'm back, y'all. I am back. Oops. So look at this now. Brown stew chicken. I'm a flame low. Give them a shot. I'm a flame low flame. It's almost ready. So I gravy down my chicken. My chicken done, family. I have my whole green scotch bonnet in there. I'm gonna burst it because I did season up with cayenne and black pepper and so. So you see my family. You see the brown stew chicken. See it there. See my gravy here. See my brown stew chicken gravy here. So my chicken there, them soft, tender, nice and juicy. Right? Go back to the brown stew chicken video. You'll see how I do it to get it this way. Okay, y'all? So this is finished. My brown stew chicken is finished. And what I want to know, I'm not have to taste it, but I'm going to do it for you all. I taste my gravy because I know it smells like that. Yeah, man. A little peppery taste, because you know the brown stew chicken, if you have a little peppery taste and your nice rich thick gravy. Okay, that's where I'm at. You feeling me? Y'all feeling with me? You there with me? Okay. My pumpkin rice inside here. So my green pepper, my thyme, but it's not ready as yet. A few more minutes. When it's finished, we flip from the bottom up as usual, you know. And we have the pumpkin rice video up on the channel. Alright? Well, look. Right over here, I've already washed and cut my vegetables. I'm telling them I'm doing a little steam or not really stir fry, but like a little steamed vegetable. Yeah, I'm there. I have my festival mix right there, ready to start for off my festival them. And the festival video is up on the channel as well, showing you from scratch how to make your festival. I have my sour sop here, that is up on the channel as well. Let me just juice out. Yep. Only thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a twist to this. I'm going to pour in my condensed milk. Yeah, family. Pour in my condensed milk like that. Wow. You see the look, family? You see the look? A Jamaican we be in a family. When we do a thing, we do a thing good. And them water out, long water, sauce up juice. And I see them family, and that's how the thing go. The sauce up juice video is up. Check it out, y'all. Okay. So I have a bottle of Guinness. I'm going to turn over all light in there. It's going to change the color a bit. You're supposed to know that because the Guinness is brown. And when you put the Guinness in there, you don't need nothing else. Normally if you're doing it straight and you're not putting the Guinness or the dragon, you put a little vanilla, you know, and a little whatever. But look here, you know the Guinness have that something there. So we don't need nothing more. Yeah man, look at this y'all family. Look at this. So if we have Guinness family and we have sour sop, we juice name Guinness up. If you think that sounds good, are you agreement with that? Say something in the comment. Come on, comment. Family, look. Sour sop with Guinness. Get your hand on it. Your hand. Your hand. Are you there, family? Sour sop with Guinness. Okay? Good. So family, you don't know what now. You want to taste this? You want to taste what one is, I know. I want to taste what is going on because I know it's mellow. So when I'm through here, I'm going to put it in the freezer. But I have to taste, family. I have to taste. While I taste in enough do family, me not lie, but me a taste. Guinness and sauce up, y'all. So y'all feeling me? Brown stew chicken, pumpkin rice, steamed vegetable, festival, and Guinness soup. Yeah, right back.